So let's take a quick look, since we're kind of asking about some other integration, and kind of take a deep kind of technical dive into something a lot of people don't know they have when they get Fathom. So here we can see we have our URL. This is my Fathom URL. I'm going to go to the API section. We have a built-in Swagger UI in Fathom. And here it is right here. So all you'd have to do, if you have Fathom, you have this. And all you have to do is just put in this extension to your Fathom URL. So in your basic Fathom URL, and then this extension, it'll take you right to this page. And here are public available APIs. So just as an example, our events API, this is only put, and this is how we ingest monitoring information. So for example, really just about any monitoring tool, if it can send an API to the Fathom server with a request body using this format, and here we kind of outline what's needed and what isn't. We will ingest that information. It will show up in the maps just like you saw with the Zabbix alerts that I showed on the maps a little bit ago. So really, this opens Fathom up to integrate with just about any monitoring tool that you can set up a hook for to send this API call, which as far as I know is just about all of them kind of have that ability. So, we have Zabbix out of the box, but really we can integrate with just about any of them. This somewhat can go with CMDBs as well. So we just added to this version the applications V1 APIs. So now we can actually pull, or any tool that can send this API call can pull application map data from Fathom to populate anywhere you want. So here we can click and get some information about this API call. We can try it out if we wanted and actually pull the data. And here's an example of the response body. And we can see this is a Fathom map. We have the map name, are there changes, any warnings, server information, and then connection information. This is an entire Fathom map in JSON format. And this can be pulled via API and then populated anywhere you want it. Any tool that can pull this, that can ingest this kind of information in JSON format, can use this to populate. We have ServiceNow integration, we have Jira integration that's truly integrated, but with our ability to pull server, connection, and application information straight from the Fathom database via API, we can kind of integrate with just about anybody with a little bit of clever scripting. So I really, recommend, if you're not used to using Swagger, it's a dream. I don't think anybody gets as excited about APIs as I do, but I really love Swagger. If you're used to Postman, you'll love Swagger. So it's here. Give it a try. All you have to do is you can get the authentication token from the settings menu, then authorize, and you can try out all these APIs. And Swagger is really great at telling you exactly, what needs to go into the script to, script these APIs. So I just wanted to take a couple minutes and kind of dive deep. A lot of people don't know that we have this integration ability in these public APIs. I'd also love to hear from anyone who has any ideas for APIs, something specific that you want.